see my leg.
It is so dark. But today we're at Disney World.
We're haunted house hunting.
We are house hunting at the moment at Disney World.
I don't know which way it's facing.
Right there.
We're house haunting.
We're house haunting.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
He doesn't have a wall, and I checked.
Hold the center booster button to dodge traffic as you move up.
Wait, I'm red. Wait, no, no.
Wait, no, you're red. I'm pretty sure you're red.
Oh, there I am.
Oh, no.
No shade. I just thinking.
This is hard to video at the same time.
This is so hard.
Yes, I got one.
Yeah.
There we go again.
My sunglasses are on.
Oh god, it already started.
Wait, which picture is gonna be on? Left?
That's I don't know where the picture is.
Look at my neck. Oh my.
I'm literally just like
What are you
saying?
Oh, mine's Elsa, Brandon.
you're just now noticing that?
Yeah, because I put it in your bag. I didn't look at it.
You win some, you lose some, I guess.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
As though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room
You scared, bro?
actually stretching?
I think someone stole my ball.
Or is it your imagination?
I feel like a ghost is gonna get me.
Yo, ghost, I'll be hitting
And
you.
consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Oh, my leg!
My wallet.
Oh,
I think she landed on me.
frighten you premature.
I just felt like there's no room. Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
Hey, he's sitting on me.
He's just sitting on you.
Get off of me. My neck.
You're in my bag again, really? Now we are going to go get some food because we are starving, right?
Yeah, where is a good place to eat? I'm freaking starving.
I think the Harbor House is pretty good.
Where's that?
It's
Is
like
that far?
right. It's like right over there somewhere. Oh, there it is. It's like. All right, now that we're all full of chicken nuggets, what are we gonna go do? What are we gonna ride?
I don't know. Let's go watch. Oh, Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain it is.
Tally-ho.
How do you get over there? Like,
I didn't think that's a barge. I was like, oh no.
oh, look at that. 2 ducks. So when are we getting the $5 churros? Because I'm ready for a churro.
I want a $5 toy monorail.
Justin is obsessed with monorails.
Oh boy. We're riding it on the way home. I can't be here
Fine.
too late.
The monorails are always
I have
like
to go
so
back to
much
town.
slower, but he loves the monorails.
No, I think it was just silent.
Justin's gonna go in the front seat so he can get
I am-
soaked.
Oh, please put me in the front.
Ready? Ready? Whoa! Whoa!
My eyes!
I don't know where she learned that.
I think you need to stop. I think you need to just stop.
Oh, it's the Lily Bell again.
Don't wave your break, just wave because you are. Pip pip cheerio! Lily Bell is here.
Are you even tall enough to ride that ride?
Sorry, Kiki, gotta get out of here.
Let's see. Let's see.
Get you over there, the time goes up.
Ooh,
I was
so
like,
close.
When I was stepping on that.
Careful.
Are you ready for
Splash
this?
Mountain is a turbulent food adventure with high speeds, heights, sudden drops, and stops.
Very well said.
You know, that's just how it goes. The way she goes. Where's the freaking water? Hell yeah.
We're almost there.
Oh, that's gonna be me.
Oh, we're about to get soaked.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no. Oh, there's fireworks back there. Ah! Oh! I didn't get wet.
I was like waiting.
I guess you could call him Rapunzel because he's tangled. I apologize, that was terrible.
We're almost there.
Oh god! Oh my god, the GoPro's soaked. We watch Justin get soaked. Usually we get stuck there for like an hour. Oh. Alright, now that we're done with our Disney cruise, what should we do now?
I wish we were on a Disney cruise.
I know, right? Oh my god. Ooh, that's the real Disney cruise right there. Pirates. Alright, Pirates of the Caribbean.
On a Caribbean cruise. I need water.
Ooh, clever.
I need.
What's a man cost?
Okay, so change of plans, we're going on the Jungle Cruise
Drink
instead.
this entire water bottle already.
He was very thirsty. Because Justin's never been on the Jungle Cruise.
I've never been on the
so-
Jungle Cruise. I used to come here 7 times a year. Never done it.
What a shame.
I'm an idiot. I'm a little dummy.
Very nice of them, you guys. I know. Now, my friends, we are entering the Nile River. It is the longest river in the world here today. In fact, I guess you could say it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in denial. Yep, exactly. Now,
Alright, so how was your first experience on the Jungle Cruise?
It was amazing. I'm ready to go
Amazing.
again.
And again?
And again.
And again.
And again.
Just like the lady said.
Exactly.
So now that we're done with the Jungle Cruise, we
did this.
What? No.
Oh.
Wait.
What?
I don't know. I'm so lost. All right. So now, after we got our lovely little ice cream thingies,
And like my
here-
8th water in the last 2 minutes.
So thirsty.
So thirsty.
Now we are heading to Buzz Lightyear.
But I'm heading home. I gotta go back. I gotta work in the morning. Stay
So-
tuned for Carnival Miracle videos from tomorrow.
Oh, nice plug, man.
You like that? Now you have to put my channel on there.
All right. So he's about to leave, and we're gonna stay till probably a little after fireworks, and that's that. Hold your breath.
Great moments in history, the ride of Paul Revere. Great moments in history, you saw it all right here. And here's what you will take away in all your minds and hearts. Great moments in history, great moments in history, great moments in history. But only the American great moments in history, but just the American parts.